Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez, and I know what you're asking yourself. Christmas already? And the answer is yes. I am going to be doing Christmas in July this year. I'm going to be sharing some fun and easy DIYs. That way you can get a head start on your crafting for this year. We all have enough time at home anyways to knock some things out of the way. I'm going to be sharing today how to do these really easy, fun, large pom-pom ornaments. As always, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Make sure to like, comment, and share my video. Let's get started. For this easy DIY, we are going to be using a pom-pom maker. This will just make the process so much easier. It is a large, and then we are going to be using yarn, beautiful Christmas colors, sell out quick, and of course we're also going to be using some scissors, and I have two different sizes to show you as well. For this project, I am using this yarn from Walmart in color Houston Cream. I love it. It's luscious. It's really soft, so get it while you can. I like using big ornaments in my tree, so I'm using an extra large pom-pom maker. This is a set of a large, just so that you know that there are different options depending on what tree you're going to put it on, and basically they're the size of the circle of the pom-pom maker. That's what I was trying to say here. And see, this is pretty comparable to the ornaments I use. They do have instructions in the back, which are pretty easy to follow, but just kind of watch along what I do here. Pretty self-explanatory. These pom-pom makers make making pom-poms so easy, and they're worth the price instead of having to cut your own like out of cardboard and such. I bought mine for about $5, and the other said even cheaper. So first of all, I'm going to open up my pom-pom. I'm opening up these two rings, which will make the first half of it, and I'm going to assign a little tail at this end, and then I'm going to wrap it around this half. Now, don't wrap crazy like this. You'll be able to do it, but it'll just give you a very loose and open one that you're going to have to trim a lot on. The best suggestion that I can give you, and this works perfectly for me, is to give some tension to your yarn. So put some pressure when you're wrapping and keep it next to the other. So wrap and keep pulling down. That way they're all really nice and tight, and it'll give you a very even layers. If you kind of change the pressure in which you are wrapping your yarn, it'll give you different size ones. So just make sure to keep the same tension on it as you're wrapping. Wrap all over to the first end, continue pushing back so that it stays nice and tight. You'll see here that there are no gaps because of how tight I'm wrapping around it. Once you're here at the end, now you're going to continue back up in the same pattern of wrapping really close to one another. As you can see, try to keep it tight. It won't be as tight as the first area, and you can go back over and fill in those little gaps so that you can try and fill it up as closely as possible. Once you are done, go ahead and trim off your new little tail piece. Make sure you don't have anything obstructing these pieces of your arch. If you do, it won't be part of the pom-pom, and it can make it kind of unravel because you'll end up cutting into them. Now go ahead and close your pom-pom maker, and now we're going to move to the next set of arches. So open them up and do the exact same thing. Once you're here at the end again, go ahead and trim off your tail pieces, close it back up, and now you have these two really tight arches here at this point. Go ahead and cut an extra piece of yarn. This is what's going to go in between our pom-pom and help it stay together. We're going to trim off the center to make each of the end pieces. Make sure that you have really sharp scissors for this. It's not bad to use large scissors, they just need to be really sharp, and here I go using non-sharp ones. I do prefer these detail scissors, which are smaller and they're generally really sharp. The pink ones are from Dollar Tree and they work perfect, but these are my favorite Martha Stewart ones that I bought from Michael's about a year or so ago. Now that we went ahead and opened it through, we're going to insert our extra piece of yarn right through the center of it. So at this point, it's kind of like a macaroon, and we are adding the filling with this piece of yarn. Make sure that you knot this really tight so that your pom-pom holds really good shape. I'm going to double knot it to make sure, again, that it holds its shape really well. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and trim off the tail end pieces. You don't need to do this yet. That's just when I decided to do it. Now we're going to gently open up our pom-pom maker to reveal our pom-pom. Do this slowly and gently, each arch on its own. Go ahead and open your pom-pom maker so that it reveals your pom-pom at this point. Close it back up so that you're ready for the next one. And I'm going to fluff it out so that it reveals this nice, beautiful round shape. And this is all the trimming I had to do. If you would have wrapped it up all crazy, you would have had a lot of trimming to do and it would have made a lot of waste. As you can see, the size is very large. I wanted it to be compared to this large ornament. Now here at the end, you can just tie a knot so that you have a place to hang your ornament hanger, or you can completely take them all off and just insert them into your Christmas tree. That is the preferred method. I did go ahead and make some more. These are in the largest of the large set, and then these are the smaller of the large set. I hope that made sense. Here they are in this tiny Christmas tree. I am not doing these ornaments justice. Obviously they will look much better as an accent piece on your normal size Christmas tree, because again, these are very large. Mixing with the rest of your ornaments, they are adorable. I hope that you enjoyed my first DIY for Christmas in July. I have much more to come. I wanted to start easy and just do something simple on day one. Go ahead and buy all of your yarn that you need now, because all of these beautiful winter and Christmas colors do sell out quick. Right now everyone is still buying very bright colors for summer, so again, go ahead and get those while you can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share my video. That really helps my channel to grow. Thank you for taking time to watch my video, and have a good rest of your day. Bye bye.